Hello friends, our next numerical is here. In this numerical we have to find out equivalent resistance between terminal A and B. So we have to keep these 2 points A and B constant, and we have to reduce this network and find out resistance between these two terminals. So if you observe here, there is a one inner delta is formed. So to find out resistance between terminal A and B, we have to convert this inner delta into its equivalent star connection. After that, these star branches become in series with this existing star which is connected to this inner delta. So when you will convert this internal delta into star connection, this resistance become in series with this 1 ohm, this resistance become in series with this 1 ohm, and this resistance become in series with this 1 ohm. Now all the branches having there is a equal resistance of 3 ohm. So when you will convert into its equivalent star connection, the value of each branch is same. So R1 is equal to R2 is equal to R3 is equal to 3 into 3 divided by sum of branches of delta connection. So we will get 1 ohm branch of each branch. So we have to redraw this network. Now this 1 ohm become in series with this 1. This 1 ohm become in series with this 1 ohm, and this 1 ohm become in series with this 1 ohm. So again we have to redraw this network. This 1 and 1 2, 1 and 1 2 ohm, and this 1 and 1 2 ohm. Now again we have to convert this internal star connection into its equivalent delta connection. So when you will convert this internal star connection into its equivalent delta, so this branch become in parallel with this 5 ohm. When you will convert these two branches into its equivalent delta connection, it become parallel with this 5 branch, and here it will become parallel with this 5 ohm. So we know the formula how to convert this star into delta. So delta means if you want to find out this branch, now these two terminal, there are these two branches of star connection is connected. So this 2 plus multiplication of these two branches divided by third resistance. So 2 plus 2 plus 2 into 2 divided by 2. So these two it will get cancelled. 2 plus 2 plus 2 is equal to 6 ohm. So each branch having 6 ohm. So these 6 ohm branches connected in parallel with this existing delta branch. So this it is parallel. So we are interested to find out resistance between A and B. So when you will solve this parallel combination, you will get 2.7272 ohm branch. Okay, so these two branches become in series because we have to keep constant these two terminal, and we have to find out equivalent resistance between terminal A and B. So these two resistance become in series, and this series combination become in parallel with this 2.7272. So addition of this, it becomes 5.4545 ohm. It become parallel with this resistance. So when we solve this parallel combination, we will get 1.8181 ohm. So this is what equivalent resistance between terminal A and B. Thank you.